So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you want Google to monitor your index on your WordPress website, here's how to connect it to Google Search Console. Firstly, go to Google Search Console and sign in with your Google account. Click Add Property and choose the domain option. Enter your domain name without the HTTPS or www, then click Continue. Google will provide a TXT verification record. Open the DNS settings for your domain provider and create a new TXT record and pass the verification value provided by Google. And then save the DNS record. Now, return to Google Search Console and click Verify. Once Google detects the TXT record, your domain will be verified. After that, Search Console can start collecting information about your website, including search performance, indexing, and search inquiries. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials.